up, Team Gas? I'm out here with TJ.
What up, guys?
From Board Archive, and we're already at the top of A Basin. We can only do one lap today, sadly, because they're about to fly the gnarliest helicopter to put a cell phone tower here at A Basin. So shout out to anyone that didn't have any service. And enough talking. Let's get down this hill so we don't get crushed by a helicopter.
Yeah, let's do it, dude. All right, you ready?
Let's go. TJ is so fast, he's already gone. It's the turns, I'm getting better at them, but I'm still not the fastest. Dude, that turn gets scarier and scarier. Look at him go. He's sending it. Woo. I'm getting better at the turns. I still have to break through them because I'm not comfortable with the speed yet. And sometimes I still fall in them. But it was nice riding with TJ while it lasted. Everyone calls this hero dirt, by the way. I feel like A Basin's dirt, trail dirt is always this like tacky, muddy, awesome dirt, I guess. Not the super loose sandy dirt. Woo! Go with a super choppy section. I got dirt in my eye. Normally I got my sunglasses so things don't fling into my eye. Totally forgot because it's super early morning and sun wasn't really up when we started. So I didn't grab my shades. Now I got dirt in my eye. Ooh. Yeah, I'm getting so much better trust in the bike. I can just ride over whatever. Ooh. Trying to get better at like leaning the bike, getting the turns, variance in general, so I stay upright and the bike is doing a bunch of stuff. Whew. So when I remember to look through the turn and do the proper stuff on a turn, turns feel great. So when I forget is when I fall off the bike, like that last time. I first forgot how to go through a turn. Like it's not natural yet. So you like look all the way through it, look all the way through it, try to stay high. Like go through the turn, open the knee, turn, woohoo! Weave through the rocks. Coming to the end. Made it before the helicopter took off. I'm about to get a shot of this helicopter for you guys. Bumpy section. Fun flowy section. Wee. Ooh. Oh, it's just starting to spin, which is kind of a bummer because you're not gonna see it. It's two propellers. It's gnarly. It looks like I don't know what it looks like. It's like a bug. Did you crush that? I stood no chance. No, I fell once. Yeah, look at this thing. It has 2 different propellers. It's so sick. So after I put my bike away, I totally forgot to film an outro because me and TJ just talked for like another hour just hanging out. Because we connect a lot, but we don't get to connect as often as we would like to. So TJ's the man. It was so sick to mountain bike with him, kind of. Dude flew down the hill. I barely got to ride with him. But dude, TJ's sick. He definitely pushed my mountain biking that day. That was actually filmed before we went to Oregon for 3 weeks and did all the snowboarding and things like that. That was like the last day of filming before I took off. And then I just never got back to making that video. So super sick that one, A Basin now has cell phone towers for everybody. So now it's on a black hole at A Basin. But 2, it's just fun to get out there with TJ, Rip, and then the helicopter. It was a cool day, cool experience. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to join the strongest ski and snowboard community. But we also mountain bike in the summer. Come on, a lot of snowboarders and skiers mountain bike. It's pretty sick. It's kind of common, you know, same places, different things, but with all that being said, I gotta make some Evolution stickers. Specifically this one. You guys have been snagging this sticker a ton. And with that, Team Elkhouse, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.